Hey everyone, welcome to Travel in Color. This week we're going to be talking about the coolest little island that you've never heard of. So we chose Jeju Island because we wanted something a little more unique, a little off the beaten path. It was our first wedding anniversary, so we wanted something special. So we chose this tiny little island in South Korea here. So oftentimes we leave very, very early and we don't come back until very, very late. So we took the very first flight out of Shanghai. We woke up at like 3:30 in the morning, got on a plane and went to Jeju Island. And this was our experience. So Jeju was actually really cool. It had this really cool blend of like amazing nature and like cool city vibes. It had a lot of original character, like cool little fish markets and small little restaurants, but it had contemporary, stylish, hip kind of vibes to it as well. We got to see some really cool sights. I won't try and pronounce the names because my Korean is terrible. I can say hello and thank you, and that's about all. Other than that, the only drawbacks about Jeju it was just so expensive. Everything is expensive, and Korea, regardless of where you are, has this kind of catch-22 that it's beautiful and it's fun and it's cool, but it comes at a price. Jeju wasn't any different. Everything is expensive. The food is expensive, taxis are expensive, housing is expensive. But you get to experience some really, really unique nature with some really cool people. So if you're thinking of traveling to Jeju, it's not the most budget-friendly place. But if you're thinking of traveling for something special, an anniversary or birthday like we did, it definitely is worth the price tag. So if you're planning on traveling to Jeju, pack some extra money and some good shoes to walk in. Thank you everyone so much for watching this week's video. If you liked what you saw, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back next week talking about some tips that I've learned personally traveling dozens of times a year. So if you're curious about how we travel so much, or you want to travel more effectively and efficiently, check out next week's video, and please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. In the meantime, just live life and rock on!